For decades, the internet has run on a single premise: type a query, get a list of blue links, and start clicking. But the foundational mechanic of the web is changing as we stop searching for directories and start receiving a single, verified result. The legacy search model was built to maximize clicks and ad exposure. By forcing users to sift through data, platforms could extend session duration and monetize human attention. The answer paradigm removes that friction. When you ask a question, the model executes a reasoning loop in the background, verifying data across multiple sources before outputting a synthesized, cited response. This transition moves the web's core economic currency toward human efficiency. As companies race to provide these answers, they face a critical problem. How do we actually verify which model is the most intelligent? Public benchmarks like the LM Arena are increasingly misleading. Because these leaderboards rely on casual users, models often optimize for pretty formatting and confident tone to win votes, even if their factual reasoning is flawed. This chart shows model specialization. Systems develop unique strengths. Some lead in coding, others excel at logic or unfiltered brainstorming. High-level workflows now require selecting a specific model based on the personality and taste required for the immediate task. For modern businesses, generalized leaderboard scores are effectively meaningless. Reliability comes from matching the right specialized architecture to the right problem. Building that level of reliability requires a new kind of operator. Surge AI is currently leading a shift in how frontier models are trained at the source. Most AI training relies on low-level data labeling, but Surge uses PhDs, physicists, and domain experts to cross-examine AI outputs. These experts aren't just checking facts, they are probing the model's logic to find where its reasoning breaks. The goal is to act as a school for artificial general intelligence, injecting wisdom, creativity, and taste into models that would otherwise just be predicting the next word in a sentence. This disciplined approach stands in contrast to labs that optimize purely for user volume. When a company is pressured to reach 1 billion users, their models often start producing clickbait and hallucinations to keep people engaged. Raw processing power has become a commodity. The true differentiator in the industry is high-quality human expertise. This focus on high-quality intelligence has allowed Surge to bootstrap its way to $1 billion in revenue without taking a single dollar of venture capital. Because models are becoming more specialized and reliable, they can now be used as modular components in a software layer called Agentic orchestration. These interfaces manage multiple specialized models to complete complex workflows without human intervention. Tools like Perplexity Computer serve as the harness for this orchestration. The system routes tasks to the best possible model automatically, ensuring the user gets the highest quality result without being locked in to a single provider. This graph shows the extreme efficiency this creates. Perplexity grew its revenue 5-fold to $500 million while keeping its headcount growth to only 30%. Agentic orchestration rewrites the rules of scaling. It allows lean, bootstrapped teams to execute with the operational power of a massive corporation. However, as businesses automate more of their work, they face a massive security risk. Most agentic workflows currently require sending proprietary corporate data to external, cloud-based models. Sending internal financial data or private health records to a centralized lab creates a vulnerability that most enterprises cannot accept. The solution is the processing power sitting in our devices. Apple Silicon's M-series chips have become an essential piece of AI infrastructure. These local chips run highly capable models entirely on device with no internet connection required. This allows for secure agent loops, AI that reads private emails, notes, and photos to execute tasks while keeping data inside a local vault. By controlling the silicon and the operating system, hardware manufacturers are now positioned to own the most important workflows in the AI era. The web's influence is shifting. It's moving away from giants that index links toward the local hardware that orchestrates the most trusted answers.